So stop living. Stop dying, both of you.
What is this?
Hi.
What?
How did you do that?
I boxed
Why
you
did
in.
you do it?
I boxed you in.
Why did you do that? Only I
I
can
don't
leave
know.
now.
What? I'm so confused.
Can you
What?
undo it by chance?
Hang on.
Is there any way you
Yeah. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. I can fix this.
could? Why? Oh! It says.
Hi.
Okay.
After that, I need to take everything shower.
Wow. Like an everything bagel.
Oh, I had one of those this morning.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Bagel.
Did you serve Nanny?
No.
You should tell Nanny.
Secret bagel.
Take pictures
Nano.
every time you do.
It's like start
Friends,
visiting
guess
the
what?
bagel place every day and DMing pictures of
Friends, guess
bagels. Daily bagel.
Daily babe.
Ooh, come here. I think everyone needs to see this. It's important.
How to
Yeah.
get ourselves killed.
Okay.
Guys, can I ask something? Hey,
What?
are you trying to get us killed? Is that on purpose?
No.
By accident? I don't know, I get the feeling that making loud noises could get us killed.
Okay.
It's a red baby.
There's another one over here. I'm
You
gonna try
did
outrun.
shoot us dead!
Uh-oh.
You're so funny.
Then? Okay.
Hey!
But I live. This one. Did they used to be this big? Oh. Completely believe you.
Take me to. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't.